Welcome to Maker Lab. I'm Amanda, a children's librarian at Woodstock Public Library. Today for Maker Lab, we are making magazine strip art. This art project is easier than it looks. You can use any silhouette to create your art, and you can make it as big as you want too. If you don't have any old magazines at home, this will also work well with leftover wrapping paper. Let's get started. To make your own magazine strip art, you will need a template for your silhouette. You can find the polar bear template I'm using here on our website. You will also need Mod Podge. This product acts as a glue, sealer, and finisher for art projects. A foam or regular paintbrush to apply your Mod Podge. Scissors to cut out your strips. Old magazines, a black marker, and a large piece of poster board or cardboard. Begin by cutting out your template with your scissors. Then tape the two sections together. Next, use your template to trace your silhouette onto your poster board using the black marker. Ask a grown-up to use a utility knife to cut out your silhouette, creating the base for your art project. Using your scissors, cut out magazine strips that are approximately 1 to 2 centimeters wide. I'm using a combination of pages that have typology, writing in letters, and pictures with bold colors and prints. Don't worry if your strips aren't as long as your silhouette. You can use multiple strips to cover each area if needed. Next, grab your Mod Podge and paintbrush and begin to glue each strip vertically onto your silhouette. Glue each strip directly next to the previous strip so no background shows through. And make sure the magazine strips are longer than the edge of your silhouette. When your silhouette is completely covered in magazine strips and the Mod Podge is dry, flip it over and trim the edge of your strip so that approximately 2 to 3 centimeters remains. Once your strips are all trimmed, use the Mod Podge to glue the edges to the back of your board. Finally, add a top coat of Mod Podge to protect your art and leave a shiny finish. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel, myWPL, for other videos for kids and adults. Thanks for watching.